Muhammad reported that once Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha went to offer prayer at the house of Safiya Talha at-Talhat, may Allah be pleased with her, and she saw some girls who had reached the age of puberty and yet were not wearing clothes to cover themselves. Upon witnessing this, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, any girl who has reached the age of puberty should not pray without covering herself with a veil. Later, the Prophet ﷺ visited her and gave her a piece of cloth, saying, make a veil from it for the girl, meaning Safiya, and for your foster daughter Salama, but make it short. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha then divided the cloth into two parts, one for Safiya and other for Salama, as they were both considered adults in her opinion. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23549.